Do you know that why does the Indian Army salute facing straight forward, and why does the Navy salute facing the ground, and the third, why does the Air Force salute facing the air? And do you know that in Bihar there is a place called Pakistan? And if this is not enough for you, in Pakistan there is a place called Bihar too. And do you know that before 1947 how our Indian flag looked like? Today you will get to know some information that will make you tell only one word: unbelievable. USA, which is the United States of America, at present its total population is 33 crores, and in India 46 crore people use internet. That means how much the population of USA, more than that in India there are internet users. Before the year 1896, India was the only source of diamonds. That means before the year 1896, if someone needed diamonds, he would get it only in one place, that is India. And when British took over India, before that, India was like a flying gold bird. India was the richest country in the whole planet Earth. In Uttar Pradesh, there was a city called Shivnagar, which sounds like a normal city, in where the e-commerce company Snapdeal had put hand pumps just as a seva. Because of the people who were suffering from the scarcity of water, they were relieved. In that place, because of the seva done by Snapdeal, were so much happy as they kept the city's name only, was named as Snapdeal Commercial Nagar. Yes, you heard it right. The city's official name is Snapdeal.com Nagar. Such an amazing info, right? In India, how much people travel in the railway? It is more than the population of Australia. In one day, 2.5 crore people travel in the railway, and the population of Australia is 2.46 crore people. What? There are many brands in this world, but the world's most oldest brand, yes, the oldest brand is Chyawanprash. Chyawanprash is the world's oldest brand, which is active now too. But now, Bihar's 35-year-old Mithilesh Kumar could not fulfill his dream of becoming an helicopter pilot for some reason. And because of that, he turned his Tata Nano into a helicopter. In this, there are all the qualities of a helicopter: the engine, rotator, all of these. He said that if we do some modifications, it can fly. In India's most unique custom vehicles, this is one of the best one. But how? How did he do that? All of India's roads, if we line them up in a single line, it can make 117 rounds around the earth. And in the discussion of ranks, after USA, India is in the leaderboard in the information about roads. The earth is so huge, how can it make 117 rounds? You only think, how many roads are there in India? More than 90% of computers use Pentium chip, and this was invented by an Indian, Vinod Dham only. We should be so proud, right? The game of snake and ladder, it started in India and spread throughout the world. Did you know that in only one rocket you can launch many satellites? In the year 2014, Russia launched 37 satellites in one rocket, which is a very big achievement. But ISRO in the year of 2017, PSLV C-37 launched 104 satellites, in which there were 3 main satellites and 101 nano satellites, which literally destroyed Russia's record. Think, where is 37 and where is 104? The bridge present in Jammu and Kashmir, the Chenab Bridge, is the world's most highest bridge, which is 1108 feet above the river. Imagine while going in a train on this bridge and seeing down. You would have noticed that Indian Army, Navy and Air Force 3 also salute in different ways. The Army salute looks normal. The Navy's salute is facing the ground so that while they are driving the ship, the oil and grease would be on their hands. To hide them, they salute the ground. The Air Force salute towards the air as to respect the sky, and they spend most of their life in the air only. India's flag at present is 3 in color with the Ashoka Chakra. But how was the flag before that? In 1907, India's flag was like this. 8 lotuses at the top. In the middle, there was Vande Mataram, and at the bottom, there was a sun and a moon. In 1921, the flag had the Gandhi's Charaka, as the flag was called Gandhi's flag. In 1931, the Swaraj flag arrived, in which the Charaka was modified, and at the end, when the country was independent, there came the Tirangi, the 3-colored flag. There are 3 colors in this flag: orange, white and green. These have meanings also. Orange, which represents strength and courage. White, which represents peace and truth. Green, which represents fertility, agriculture and population and growth of our country. In the middle, there is the Dharma Chakra, which has 24 strokes, which represents the 20 hours, and India is growing all the 24 hours. Plus, it represents all the 24 qualities a human should have. They are love, courage, patience, peacefulness, magnanimity, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, selflessness, self-control, self-sacrifice, truthfulness, righteousness, justice, mercy, gracefulness, humility, empathy, sympathy, spiritual knowledge, moral values, spiritual wisdom, the fear of God, and faith or belief or hope. So that is it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, make sure you share it to anyone, as they will also get this amazing information. Thank you.